Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm gonna create a quick in-depth review about this online loan matching service, which is Grace Loan Advance. So I'm gonna dive into the review to help you decide if this loan platform is a legit platform for you to lend or borrow money. So let's dive into it. So talking about Grace Loan Advance. Grace Loan Advance is an online loan matching service that connects borrowers to third-party lender for fast personal loans. It's designed for people with limited or poor credit who need money quickly, offering loan amounts from a few $100s up to large sum with a flexible repayment terms. The application process is straightforward and funding can sometimes arrive as soon as the business day, which make it a convenient option for emergency cash need. On the downside, many users report a very high interest rate, hidden fees, and unclear loan terms, which can make repayment difficult sometimes. Since Grace Loan Advance works with outside lenders, borrowers may end up with predatory offers if they are not careful. While it's a legitimate service and can also provide a fast funding, the high cost mean should only be used at the fast result. So safer alternative like credit union, peer-to-peer loan, or installment lenders are usually better along this choice. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more reviews.